In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FXCM to MT4. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to fxcm.com and then you want to hover over trading up top, and then under platforms, you want to click on MetaTrader 4 over here. This is going to take you to a separate page where you can go ahead and either open up a live MT4 account or a practice one. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the practice account. And here, basically, you're going to have to sign up and you're going to have to put in some of your info, your first name and last name, email, country, and then your phone number. After you're done with that, click on Trade Now. And I can't show you this, but over here, there's going to be like a button which is going to say download FXCM MetaTrader 4. So whenever you click on Trade Now, it's going to create your account. You'll receive your login, your password, and your server as well, and then you'll be able to download the FXCM MetaTrader 4. So a blue button is going to appear. Just click on that and it's going to download this onto your computer. Now here I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to basically open up the installer. And if you want to connect it, just click on next, and then basically you're going to have to wait for a few seconds for the platform to install. And whenever that's done, you'll basically be able to just open it up, and we're going to basically connect, and we're going to essentially put in our login credentials. Now click on finish. There we go. And then it's going to basically open something up, but it's going to open up the MT4 platform on our computer as well. So this can take a few seconds. There we go. It's opened up. It's going to start scanning. And when everything is fine over here, you'll be able to go ahead and sign in. Okay, so click on next whenever that's done. And here you want to click on existing trade account. Now here, as you can see right now, for me, I can put in the login and the password, or you can just go ahead and exit this, and it's going to put on this new window where you can put in your login and password as well. So I'm going to put it in here. There we go. This is my login, and the password has been sent to me as well. Okay. And now for me, the server is going to be this demo 002. Let me actually find it. Okay. There we go. So it's demo 02. Okay, this one over here, US demo 02. And of course, for you, it may be a bit different. So just go ahead and look at which server that is. And then you can save the account info or not. Click on login. And then there we go. As you can see, I'm now logged in into FXCM with my demo account, okay, on MT4. So that's how you can connect them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.